Hello, welcome back to Easy Codes for Kids. My name is Stephanie Sutton. Today we are making this gorgeous sun catcher, which is also a replica of the flag, our beautiful flag, the United States of America, and it is not accurate. So do not worry about how many, if you're thinking, oh my gosh, I have to, get all the little stars and stripes just right, and I don't want to do all that kind of prep work. Do not worry. This gorgeous sun catcher will be up in your window, and it can be up in your window in your home, in your classroom, anywhere you think it will fit, even on a refrigerator, and it will look gorgeous. So I have this against white paper right now, but you're gonna see this a little bit up on my front window, and it just looks so beautiful with the light streaming through it. So on this one, there's a couple of different variations. I mean, you can do all kinds of different things to this, but I put beads for stars in this one. In the one that I'm gonna show you step by step, it is just transparencies. So what I did was, and I will link this below, I bought a lot of these colored transparencies. They're very inexpensive on Amazon, and they're just fun and fabulous, and I can use these in a million different ways. And so making these sun catchers is super easy. You just lay out the pieces, and then you use clear contact paper. I love clear contact paper. I use it for a variety of different STEM projects with my kiddos. So I'm so excited to show you this, and I hope you love it too.